Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, I will show you how I have sewn my bikini pattern top snowflake with one layer of swimwear fabric and cut and sew foam. But I will also show you how I created a small hidden strap with a small loop made from bra strap so that I can later add some straps if I want to. So let's start. So let me show you in this case another alternative to our cup for the snowflake. This is a bikini version and I have one layer of my main fabric. That's it, the cup is done. And I already included it and sewed it to the foam cup. And I want to explain you what I did here and how to do this just like I did, okay? It's very simple. I want to have the chance in the future to, never mind that this is yellow, but I have this G hook that I've purchased and I want to be able to wear my snowflake with or without a strap. So I want to sew this G hook to a strap that I have in red or something like so. And when I want to have the bikini with the strap, I just go through here. The G hook is a little small for this one, but it's okay. And I instantly have my bikini with a strap. And this is why I placed this loop here, made with a little bit of strap elastic. And I actually did this for the first time, so it was an experiment and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So I have marked 7 centimeters from the outer side inwards. First of all, I've done a straight line from here to here, which you cannot see, but it's here, the line. Then I marked 7 centimeters from the outer edge inwards, which is this point here. And then I came from the edge there downwards 1.8 millimeters. It's almost 3/4 of an inch. And then I marked a line. Now I'm just going to press down to cut. And as you can see, it's cut exactly where I want. I'm just going to open a little bit more. And now I'm gonna grab a piece of strap. I'm gonna do it a little bit smaller than this one because I think this one, when it stretches, you can see the G hook and I don't want to see the G hook, so that's something that I'm learning also. And what I did now is, this is the inside. I go with the strap to the outside here and then I do the channeling where my G hook is going to be on the inside here. And instead of going all the way up there, I'm gonna leave it a little bit lower here so that you cannot see the G hook, okay? So I'm gonna leave it like so. And now I'm gonna do a zigzag stitch on my sewing machine, securing it on the edge here and then on this side, exactly where you have the cut. That's where I'm going to do another zigzag. And then I'm gonna cut the excess of the strap and I will have my loop ready. And that's how I secure this strap. Now regarding the cup, this is something I have used before, this technique. It's very simple. You just grab your fabric, you place it on the inside. I'm gonna pin the entire top edge. And once that is pinned, I'm gonna sew using a straight line, a straight stitch. The only thing that I want to say about this is that the seam allowance of this pattern is 0.9 centimeters, so it's 5/16 of an inch, very little more than that. It's 0.9 centimeters. And so I know that to be able to use that seam allowance when I fold the fabric to the right side, like we have done here, I can have 3 centimeters seam allowance, 3 millimeters, sorry. So I'm gonna pop up how much in inches, and then I have the foam cup thickness, and then it goes to the other side. So if I have 0.9 and I want to keep all of this correctly, I'm just going to sew with a 0.3, because when it goes to the other side, I will spend the rest of the seam allowance with the fold and with the thickness of my foam cup. And when I do that, that's what I get. It's this beautiful foam cup that it's ready to be sewn on the rest of my bikini. And this was it for today, girls. Just another option on how to sew the cups for the snowflake bikini version.